Just take a look at this gorgeous hair. The color, the curves, the texture, everything came together so beautifully. This goddess braid style is giving soft, elegant, and absolutely flawless. Stay tuned and watch to the end and see how I started making this hair.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I had the pleasure of working with a lovely client who traveled all the way from Cambridge to get her hair braided. She had already dyed her natural hair and straightened it and came prepared with some stunning color 350 extensions. So before we started braiding, she mentioned that braiding gel irritates her scalp, so we skipped that completely. I still make sure to keep everything neat and clean while sectioning and braiding her hair though. Look at this color. What do you think? Tell me about this color. I really love this color. It's giving me a summer vibe. I don't know if you know what I mean, but yeah, I love this color. Do you love this color? Let me know in the comment section. As I braided along, I added in coily extensions to give it that signature goddess look, soft, flowy, and full of volume. So what I do here is one braiding, because I don't want the curls to get in my way. I just wrap it around the hair, put in bond so that I'll be able to continue braiding the hair. If you've watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning to watch my videos. Once the braiding was completed, I went ahead to put the curls in a bun. I later adjusted it in a way that it won't come in the way of me trying to get the tips of the hair straightened with a brush and then roll them in the rollers. This method is just to get some curly effect also. So after rolling these, I put them in hot water to get my curls. This is how it is looking after dipping them in hot water. So the next thing I'm going to do is to separate the coils and get ready to take down the main coils that I put in burn, get them down and start to work with it. So after I've loosened the coils, I'll spray some little water mist. This water contains a leave-in conditioner in it, so I've sprayed it in the hair, especially on the coils, so that the volume can reduce. It helps to reduce the volume. Then I started to add some coiling cream. So I use this B-Set coiling cream to help it get softer and define them even more. As you can see here, the volume of the hair has reduced, and yeah, let's take a look at our final results. Absolutely stunning. Would you rock this look? Let me know in the comments section. I really appreciate her coming all the way from Cambridge. Let me know if you will come also to make your hair. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gorgeous styles and hair care tips. Thank you. Bye.